Foundation of Alimujan. The foundation of the history of Alimujan was based on the Spanish order. It all started on October 13, 1720, when the Augustinian Corporation ordered the place to be given its minister, but the order was not followed. It was until October 1754, when it became an independent parish with Father Vicente Campos as the chosen vicar and Santo Tomas de Villanueva as the patron saint. Fernandez, 1922. A historical account written by Father Juan Fernandez, 1992, in the Spanish Augustinian Historical Archive, an official bulletin and translated into English by Eduardo Sorcas Arias, cited that the etymology of the word Alimujan was derived from Alimudia or Alimudias, the old Visayan name for Cois tachirimal jovi, a green-bearing tropical plant of the grass family prevalent in the town. It is so called job tears because of the shape of its hard-shelled pseudocarps, which are made by some into necklace or rosary beds. Founder of Alimujan. Alimujan was founded by Capitan Agustin Magtanong and formally separated from Ogtong or Oton on August 20, 1755. On January 8, 1757, Governor Manuel Salazar de los Monteros arrived in Ogtong, appointing Agustin Magtanong as Gobernadorcillo of the town and recognized Alimujan as a full-fledged municipality. Jose Alvear. During the American colonial period, Alimujan became arrabal or outskirt of the town of Leon in January 1904. Through Executive Order No. 45, General Francis Burton Harrison separated Alimujan from Leon. Effective December 31, 1918, by the first day of 1919, Alimujan elevated its status from Leon's arrabal to a fully independent municipality. The Alimujan geography. The municipality has a land area of 144.82 km2 or 55.92 miles, which constitute 2.90% of Iloilo's total area. It has 51 barangays and divided by 8 major districts. It has some rugged terrains as well as ample flat lands of agriculture. Mountain range, which serves as a natural boundary with the other towns, is located in the northern hinterlands of the town. The rugged terrains of 7 cities in the northwestern hinterlands or uplands communities of the town is a part of Bukhari Mountain range, which lies mostly in the town of Leon. Alimujan economy and livelihood. It is a third-class municipality in the province of Iloilo. It has annual income of 57,574,977 pesos, making it the 20th largest economy in the province. The town and its people has access to excellent healthcare, banking, communication, transportation, and commercial services. The public market has various stores that sells different products and other dry goods, some food stalls, and other services like barbershop, internet, cafe, and beauty salon. Market days in the town take place every Tuesday and Friday, but some stalls and stores, most especially vegetable, fruit, and other dry goods, medicine, and hardware, are open daily. The Alimujan Himudos Festival. This is a festival that is supposed to celebrate the best in us, the best of us, and the best we could come up with. By way of title is Himudos, loosely translated as struggle. Therefore, the English translation of Himudus is to seek, to strive, and to yield festival. Alimujan come up with a title that rhyme with ginamos instead of pretty image of color, music, buntings, and fireworks. We are asked to conjure image of blood, sweat, and tears. Planting rice is never fun, etc. The apparent rationale for the name is this: Mahimud Uson is Alimujanon value that most retain. Dialect, Kyusai, and tradition. The main spoken dialect of Alimujan is Kinaraya, which is widely used dialect in the province of Iloilo. It has many variations and tones that may change in the barangay or district of municipality. The municipality of Alimujan is also known for its glutinous rice-made food like sinakol, ibos, butong, alupi, bukayo, and chocolate cacao. The traditions of having the patronal festa on September 22 as feast of Santo Tomas de Villanueva as the patron saint of Alimujan. It is a way of being thankful for the abundance and blessing received